Okay. Okay. I want to really simplify trading. That has been my ambition since when I started trading forex. Now, what I want to do today is to really practice how to look at the chart simply, and then simply look at the price action, look at yesterday, and try to determine what is likely to happen today. To do that, I would work with GBP, USD, and the other pound pairs from Monday until today. Let me start the daily time frame. So this is daily. This is daily. This is a 23rd. Yeah, this was Friday. 23rd was Friday. Yes. Okay. So this is Friday. This is Friday 23rd. What happened on Friday? Okay, so let me look at this carefully. What happened on Friday? What happened on Friday? On Friday, price pushed up beyond this zone. Pushed up beyond that zone. So that is clearly indicating that in the following week we are going to be in an uptrend. That is the first clue that I get. Okay, that is what the daily time frame is telling me. And then H4, what is H4 showing me? This is 23rd. No, this is 23rd. 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 Okay, so this is a clear. Okay, yeah. So this is a clear pullback. No, this is a pullback into this zone now. Yes, it's a pullback, and I would adjust the zone a little bit. Yes, there we go. Okay, so that's it. And then let me go to 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame on Monday. What a trade it was. This was a very nice trade of this powerful zone here. It's around level 50. It's just above level 50. This was a beautiful, beautiful trade. So my entry would be here. And so weekly wise, because okay, I didn't look at weekly time frame. Let me look at weekly time frame. What was weekly telling me? Weekly, yeah, price had closed above. So this was a clear uptrend. Okay, and then let me go to daily now again, and now assess Wednesday. Tuesday. Tuesday, Monday to Tuesday now. So this kind of closed on Monday, 26th. It was quite bullish. It was a very good trade, and again, price has closed beyond this zone here. Just looking left, I see this zone. Price has closed beyond this zone. Yeah, looking left, this is quite a strong zone. So price has closed beyond it. So that is my first clue. The zone which has been an important zone which has been broken by price is this one, looking left. I don't see any other. Okay, yeah, there is this one also. Another one is this zone here. It has also been broken by price. That is what the daily time frame is showing me. Now let me go to H4 to analyze this further. So this is a 26th. Yes, 26, and then here. Okay, we should be bold enough to choose where you want to take a trade. Choose the best price. Okay, buying off this area wouldn't be the best price because, by the way, there is this liquidity void here. There's this liquidity void here. There's this liquidity void here. Okay, we want it to be covered before we can go long. So this was an obvious, it was an obvious trade to take around this area here. It's a trade which I took and lost and then entered in. It gave me quite a good amount of money. So this is where so this zone is holding quite well. And you can speak about this one here as well. And then in down to 15 minutes. It is I said it's Tuesday, yes. Okay. So here we go. This was a very nice trade. Very nice trade. So we would wait for price to reject. I would wait for price to reject these two zones because that is okay. We want to buy this pair at the best price possible. Okay. This one wouldn't be the best price possible. This one wouldn't be. It wouldn't be the best price possible, and there is this liquidity void here. So that is Tuesday, and then let me go to Wednesday now. Back to daily time frame. Look at how this is Tuesday. This is 26th. This is 27th. Looking at how 27th closed, which is Tuesday. Yes, it was Tuesday. We can now determine how Wednesday would look like. This is 26th. This is 27th. It is Tuesday. What has price done in this on Tuesday? Price has broken this zone here and stayed above it. This zone here. Yes, it has broken this zone quite forcibly, and it is above that zone. Okay, so that is the first stage. Now I go to H4 to confirm or change my thesis. Again, we talk about the best price possible. In this case, the best price possible will be around this area here and not otherwise. This will be the best price that the market can give me. So I should have expected to buy around this. Of course, I did not buy this. I didn't buy this. Let me go to 15-minute time frame to see if there was another reason for me to buy in that area. Unfortunately, price was too fast on this day. There was strong news coming. So the best scenario would have been a price coming here. So I would put an alarm here, and if price doesn't come there, I just forget about it. Okay. Because you have this liquidity here. This is a trap. This is a very, very dangerous trap. There's a liquidity void here. Here. I don't feel that if you just enter, and if that void is not filled, it can be very, very dangerous. Okay. We have several pairs, so if you don't send entry in GBP/USD, you can look at other USD pairs quickly and find a pair in which this void was filled well. So that is Wednesday. So this is Wednesday. Now let me go to back to daily again. Let me remove this. Okay, so this is 27th. This is 27th. Now we want to see 28th. This is 27th here. Okay, now 28th. Still they're pushing up. This is 27th. This is where they closed. They broke this zone and closed above it on 27th. And 28th, yeah, 28th was this one here. we want to see 28th, 29th. 28th. This is 27, this is 28th. Again, now this is tricky. This can be very, very tricky. This can be very tricky. This is 28th. What did they do? They closed just above this zone. Yeah. Just above this zone here. That is where they closed. Okay, let me push it up a little bit here. That is 28th. So that is what the market accomplished on 28th. Now, to know what is likely to happen on 29th, I have to go to not necessarily H4. H1 can also be help me. Okay, so let me go to this. This is 28th. Okay, yeah. Now, okay, this is 28th, 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 29th. Okay, looking left, I spot yet another zone here. Okay, and if I put a line chart, that's quite a strong zone. Okay, that zone is also, price is also broken above that zone. Of course, if they have broken above that zone, they may turn around just or go to a lower zone, because you don't know what market makers are planning to do. Let me go to, this is 28th. Now I'm going to 29th. Okay, this is 28th, 29th now. Unfortunately, we didn't get an entry. And when you see them not giving you an entry, it's a very strong sign that now, because in this case, they didn't give us a retracement, they just pushed up, they didn't come down. Now, this is an indication that they're starting to hit the highs and then change direction. So 29th was bullish, but we did not get an entry. We have a very strong signal that we are turning around, because on 29th, they created a supply zone here. This was a very, very strong sign that on Friday, price would fall. They created this supply zone on 29th here, okay? Okay, and it was quite an important zone. Let me see, there should be a big round number in that area. Let me see, this is 39.75, 1.4 from this, it's not near. Let me try a 39.50. It's still a little bit below. At 75, this should be cool. Yes, just like that. So you have this supply Thursday, which was formed on Thursday. This is a very, very strong indication that the market may turn around on Friday. Okay, so let us see any other evidence of a sell of the Friday sell that was designated, was shown by the market on Thursday. Let me go back to daily time frame. Okay, so this is Thursday again here. This is Thursday. Price has closed here in this area. It's a strong zone. This is 39.80, almost 1.4. That is the first clue, but I'm not yet sure. Let me go to 15 minutes. This is 29th, this is 30th now. Now, what do we see? Now, we want to see, since the price closed, rejected this zone here on Thursday. This price rejected this zone on Thursday. We want to see what will happen once price gets back into this zone. What happened? Price hit this zone and rejected it again. That was a confirmation of a sell, at least up to this area, to fill this liquidity void here or even here. So that is how simple trading can be. With simple price action, everything is quite clear. Yeah, so that's it. And so the sell today was a clear price action. Let me switch to another pair. Let me go to GBP, JP1, and use the same approach, exactly the same approach to analyze this market. This is okay. So let me go back to, let me start with Monday. First of all, let me start with Friday. Okay, what is Friday showing us? Friday is showing us a high highs. Okay, high highs and high lows. Looking at this, I just see price. You see, I don't see any sign that price is about to turn around. Okay, I just don't see that. I don't see any sign. And then if I go to weekly, it was clearly showing me that we would have a bullish week, and we closed above this zone here. That is quite beautiful. And then again, let me go to daily. Daily, what is daily telling me? 23rd, where's 23rd? 23rd is here. This is 23rd. It's a nice bullish candle. It has rejected this zone here. Exactly this zone has been rejected by the daily candle. When I go to H4 on 23rd, what do I see? This is 22nd. This is 23rd. 23rd, 23rd. This is 23rd. Here. Now, this is where I have to be very attentive. I have noticed another zone which was cleared on Friday, and it is an important zone. It is this one here. Okay, this zone was broken. This zone was broken on Friday by price, so it's going to be a decisive zone come next week. During the next week, so when price goes down, we will see. We would observe how momentum is changing as price touches this zone and as it touches the next zone. Let me now go to 15 minutes on 26. Where is 26? 26 is right here. Okay, now this is Monday. Price is going down. When it touched the first zone, you would see it starting to form wicks. That was the first sign that we are going to have a bullish move. And I could. Now the problem is that if I bought using this this candlestick, they would kick me out. I'm trying to teach myself to wait for a retest. Okay, I'm trying to teach myself to wait for a test. Okay, we had a nice trade when price came down to retest this zone, because in the first this candle, this first down move, price created low of the day. You see, price created low of the day. Now, trading the low of the day can be dangerous. You wait for a test, although it's not easy, but that is how you get a very safe trade. You wait for a retest. We get a nice retest here. This is where I would take a buy, putting my stop loss some 20 pips away. Okay, let me go back to GBPUSD and see. Okay, here, for example, this is a Monday. Okay, let us start with Friday. You have the first push down here, the first move up. This was the low of the day, and then the retest, although it came late, but this was the safe trade. And then here, look at this. You have the first move down, you don't take it, you wait for the second one. What about here? You have the first move down here, move down and up. Okay, this was the major one. You wait. Here, you could have taken this one here. Okay, what about this one? Okay, yeah. Let me go to this one. This one here, today, you had the first rejection down. You don't take it, you wait for a retest. Patiently, you wait for a retest, you have a very safe trade. So okay, I'm telling myself that I will always wait for retests. I'll not take the first move because they always come back. So this was GBP JPY on Monday. Let us now go to Tuesday. Tuesday was, what was the date on Tuesday? 27th. Again, okay. First of all, I observe this. I see this powerful up move. It is a clear bullish move. I mean, getting that on the next day, bulls will still be in control. They will not allow bears to go beyond this area. So let me go to daily time frame to make it easy for me to see what happened on 26th. Okay, so this is 26 here. This is 26. What happened on 26th? Price on 26th. Price broke which zone? Let me open my eyes very wide. Okay, yeah, I have spotted this zone. Price broke this zone on Monday on 26th. Price broke this zone here. Okay, price broke this zone. So I want to see what happened. Let me go to H4 again on 26th. This is 26 here. No, this is 27. This is 26. So price broke that zone. And I think not only that, I have spotted another zone below, which price tempered with on 26. It is this one. So we have this important zone. What shall we do on 27th? We will observe price as it as it approaches this zone. What? Okay. This is 26. 26, yeah. These two zones. Okay, so let me go to 15-minute time frame now. This is 26 here. Look at this. Look at how they try to lure you into selling. Okay, you have this powerful move down. Again, as I said earlier, we have the first push up at 10:45. We don't take that. It can be, this is the law of the day. We wait for the next one. They will always come back, and they did come back down, giving you a nice push up. This will be your safe trade here. That is 27th. Let me go to 28th now. Let me go to 28th. This is 20. Okay, this is 28th. Now 27th. So we had two good trades in this one. We had two good trades on Monday and Tuesday, just like in GBP USD. So this is 27th. 28th is here. Let me see what happened on 27th, leading to 28th. This is 27th. What did price do? Again, they closed beyond this zone. Okay, they closed beyond this zone here. So we want to see how price will react on these zones on 28th, because they always come back down. Okay, so that is daily. And then on H4, what do you see on H4? This is 27th. This is 27th, and this is 28th. 20. Okay. Let me go back to 15 minutes. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So H4. Where is 7th? 27th. This is the last candle of the day, and it is bullish. That is a very strong indication that the next day will continue to push up. 15th. This is 27th. 27th. 28th. Look at this carefully. 28th. Okay, 28th we have price. Okay, just before London, price is broken above this important zone. Remember, which is the zone which a price broke above on 27th. It's right here. This is 27th here. And then when I go down to say H1, this is 27th, 28th. I'm above this zone now during Asia. And if I look left, I see this demand zone here. Okay, there's this nice demand zone here. Okay, which was visited on 28th. Okay, so during London, I don't necessarily need to take any trade before London. Okay. Okay, this is 20. Okay. What is not happening? Let me make this visible in other time frames. Okay. 15 minutes. Okay, look at this. Okay, so by London, I know that I know for sure that price, we are in a bullish market here. Although you'll notice very clearly that momentum is starting to die down very, very slowly. Okay, bears, bulls are losing power. So here, this would be my buy trade, risking 20 pips or so for so many pips. Of course, knowing what the weekly range is. And let me quickly, okay, now before I do right now, this is 28th. Okay, okay, it's 28th. Okay, this is 28th now. Again, you notice which zone this candle has broken. It has broken this zone here. Yeah, it has broken this zone. Very nice. But it has a wick at the top. That candle has a wick at the top. That's a strong indication of things to come. Okay, this is 28th, 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 28th. Okay, 28th. This is the last candle of the day, and then you have a nice retracement during Asia. When London opens on 29th, yeah, this is 29th now. When London market opens, we are far away from this zone. We have broken above another zone completely. We don't get a retracement. Again, this was a strong indication that things are not going to be bullish for a long time. For a bullish trade, we want price to demand zone, which are lower than the Asian box, because this was low of the Asian box. A low which was created during Asia. We wanted price to at least clear stops in this area, or even test this area, but that didn't happen. When you see them going above the Asian box, that is a very strong indication that things are about to turn around. Not only that, on Thursday again, they created a supply zone here. This was a supply zone, indicating clearly that things are going to turn around. Always we have to stay alert whenever this price action happens. You see, we have to stay alert. Let me finish this with EURUSD. No, before I do that, let me go to weekly time frame. Let me go to weekly time frame because I want to document how to determine the weekly range. This was the weekly candle. Price moves from zone to zone. This week they closed above. If I look left well, they closed above this zone. The next zone that they are going to attack is definitely going to be this zone here. This zone here. Price always moves from zone to zone. So I had a clear window trade around this area. This should have been my take profit. Of course, I didn't go that far, but this is a learning curve. I'm learning new concepts every day. And next week is also going to be bullish. Next week is also going to be bullish. We'll see a pullback, of course, probably into this demand zone here, and then price will continue to move back up. If I go to, let me go back to weekly time frame. Let me go to weekly, okay, and see which zone. Let me make this larger. Okay, during the week, which important zone was breached by price? It is this one. Okay, it is that one. There's another one, and this one. Okay, if I go down to H4, this one. So okay, again, we want to enter at the best price that the market can offer. Okay, there is a demand zone here. This is a nice demand zone, but this is not the best price. We want them to come down. We want to buy the pound at a very, very good price, which is here. So come Monday, you may take sales while waiting to see how price will react in this area, and then take a buy from this area, continue to push up. And if you ask me how far it's going to be, I see a very large gap. Looking left, I see them coming all the way into this area here. So we may have a move of how many pips? About 200 pips going up in this pair. Okay, and we want them to come to clear this demand zone here. They have to clear this demand zone here and then come down, because price works like a rubber band. If you pull it too much, it will move too much. Okay, this will be almost more than 60% retracement, and that will give us enough fuel to push up into this area. Yeah, so that's it. Let me quickly go through Euro USD. It is the same thing, really. It is exactly the same thing. Let me yeah, it's exactly the same thing. If it's exactly the same thing, although Euro USD doesn't move as well as pound pairs. But look at this. This is where the pair closed in the weekly time frame. Okay, this is where it closed. Now you want to see when the new week begins. You want to see how price will react on that area. Let me go to H4. You want to see reaction in this zone. If you see rejection, you know that we are coming here. Let me. If you see rejection in this area, you know that we are coming here. If you take a trade in this area, just put a take profit here. That is 190 pips. So if one took a buy here, where is Monday? This is okay. If one took a buy here, say here on Tuesday, a take profit would be up there. Okay, that is how the market moves. It moves from zone to zone. If you ask me what will happen next in this pair, we are bullish. We are quite bullish. Okay, there are good demand zones. This demand zone here will hold the price during the week, and then when price reaches this area, it should continue to push up, at least to clear stops, to clear these highs here. And I think this is going to be our destination. So that is what I think, and that is what I want to really practice to trade. Simple way, simple and clean.